Fairness and equality are important principles that should be upheld in various aspects of life, including entrepreneurship. While equality refers to the state of being equal in rights, opportunities, and treatment, fairness goes beyond mere equality and takes into account individual circumstances and needs. In context of entrepreneurship, fairness and equality can play a crucial role in creating a level playing field for aspiring entrepreneurs. Ensuring fairness and equality in entrepreneurship means providing equal opportunities for all individuals, regardless of their background or circumstances. This can involve promoting diversity and inclusivity, eliminating biases and discrimination, and creating an environment where everyone has a fair chance to succeed.